Let's take a look at how to manage experiment cards in SciNote and create experiment templates. If you wish to change the title or the description of an experiment card, click here and then Edit Details. A really cool thing with experiment cards is that you can use them as templates. Let's say that I do the same set of essays every week on different samples. I can simply choose to copy this experiment card as a template by clicking here or by clicking here. It is possible to copy the card to other projects you're working on as well. Select the desired project from the drop-down list, then click Copy. Now we have a clone of this card over here. Only the protocol steps of tasks were copied. Everything else, like results and comments, were left blank because in a different experiment you will most probably add or upload new ones. Similarly, you can choose to move an experiment card. You can only move an experiment card to those projects that have the same or additional project members. If you choose to move an experiment card, all of its content gets moved, including the results, comments, etc. Lastly, if you wish to archive an experiment card, click here. This action will move the card to the Archived Experiment section, from which you can restore the card at any time. Let's go back to the experiment section. I want to show you how to sort the experiment cards. You can sort your experiment cards by their name or by their date of creation. To learn even more about SciNote, check out the description below.